Welcome to this explainer. Imagine waking up and finding an AI doing your job literally 24/7.
So this isn't sci-fi anymore. A massive shift is happening. Which jobs are most at risk by 2030?
AI already writes, analyzes, and even diagnoses. Millions of everyday jobs are going to completely transform, and soon.
Starting our countdown, AI easily handles repetitive data entry, 24/7 support, and totally powers cashierless checkouts.
Smart systems are rapidly replacing routine bookkeeping, instant travel planning, and those super realistic telemarketer voices. All right, hitting number 4 on our list, basic content writers. AI churns out news summaries and basic articles in literal seconds. It's totally disrupting traditional content production.
Moving right along to number 3, translators of everyday languages.
Highly specialized translation is still safe, but AI now instantly handles everyday global conversations and entire websites.
Now for number 2, where millions of roles are at stake, professional drivers.
Unlike us, self-driving tech never needs to sleep. That seriously threatens long-haul trucking, deliveries, and ride-sharing.
And finally, the number 1 job facing the absolute most dramatic automation by 2030 is
Administrative assistants. Yeah, they hold the absolute top spot for major AI disruption over the next decade. Today's AI can already seamlessly manage complex calendars, draft your emails, and perfectly organize daily documents.
But hey, just like the internet, AI isn't only replacing jobs, it's creating massive new career paths.
Opportunities are absolutely exploding in fresh fields like prompt engineering, advanced robotics, and AI safety.
So your greatest advantage right now? Adaptability. Learn new skills and figure out how to work alongside AI.
The global job market is changing faster than ever before. The only real question is, will you be ready?